Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Sign in to your Google account and open Google Sheets in a browser. Use the search bar or Ctrl+F to find the spreadsheet name. Click the matching file to open it in a new tab. Look at the top right Share button to confirm you have edit access before changing data. If you only have view or commenter roles, request editor access from the owner. Open a copy when you cannot obtain permission to preserve the original file. Double-click a cell or press Enter to edit a single cell value directly. To change multiple cells, click and drag to select a range before typing. Select a range, type a value, then press Ctrl+Enter to fill all selected cells with the same entry. Use Copy and Paste Special to paste values or formulas without formatting. Use Ctrl+H for Find and Replace to update recurring values across the sheet instantly. Set sharing roles to Viewer, Commenter, or Editor to control who can change data. Click Share, enter emails, and choose the appropriate role for each collaborator. Use protected ranges to lock sensitive cells and prevent accidental edits by others. Add a description when protecting ranges to explain the restriction. Open version history to review changes and restore a prior version when needed. Use the timestamped entries to identify who changed values and when those edits occurred.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.